Nakakita ka na ba ng lumang parang brand new? I got you ulit. Bakit ka mo brand new? Kasi fully restored tong kotse na to at lahat ng parts na kinabit brand new lahat. So this is the 2004 Toyota Hilux SR5 setup manual transmission. Sa exterior, hindi na siya original paint pero yung paint niya mas maganda pa sa original. Brand new side mirrors, brand new emblem, brand new cheek light, brand new Toyota crown wheels, brand new tires at dito naman sa harap, brand new headlight at brand new grille. At ultimo to, brand new din. At guys, ultimo tong mudguard niya na medyo rare, 10,000, brand new din yan. At yung tambol niya, pinturado rin lahat. Under the hood, meron ka ditong 2L engine na super stock, manual transmission. At check mo yung engine bay niya, pati yan, pinturado lahat. At sa pinakalikod, brand new taillight, orig na Toyota genuine na decals. And guys, take note, lahat ng parts na ito na brand new, genuine Toyota lahat. As in, original siya lahat. At ang best part, ultimo yung door handle, brand new. At tinan mo yung sara ng pinto. Sabi nga nila, brand new feels. At dito sa interior, 80% ng components ito, brand new din lahat. Meron kang intact na headliner, brand new na fabric seats na in-order pa galing abroad, maayos na steering wheel, brand new na gauge, brand new na dashboard, touchscreen infotainment system, at naka-sound setup na rin to. Brand new na shift knob, brand new na armrest, at ang best part, roll down windows. And guys, for disclaimer lang, lahat ng sinabi kong brand new parts na genuine Toyota, lahat yan may resibo. Kaya tong kotse na to, well built at fully restored talaga. Kaya kung gusto mo to, for only 695,000 pesos lang. Peace out.